Hi, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 things that you can do today to boost the traffic to your website. So those things are content, citations, and backlink. Let's talk about content. So content, I'm here at your website, and when I'm looking at it, it's actually well laid out and it has beautiful pictures. One thing I did notice about the content of your website is that it doesn't have too much and it doesn't target specific keywords. So Google wants to see at least 1,500 words, and yours has 532 at the moment. When I look at your competition, Leo Lands, for example, for kitchen and remodeling services, they have around 900 words, and Classic Kitchens of Virginia, they have around 838 words. So that's something that you could do today, just add and throw in there 1,000 words, targeting specific keywords on your front page so that Google can see you and you are more relevant to Google for those specific services that you provide. Now let's move on to Google search. When I type in here the keyword kitchen remodel Richmond, Virginia, and remember a keyword is anything that a user types in when they're actually seeking to buy any product or service. When I type in these keywords, Google usually shows us 3 sections. So the first one is the Google Ads and organic traffic. 30% of the organic traffic is able to be driven by those Google Ads, but reality is that a lot of people block those Google Ads, or people just skip them and they go straight into the Google Maps section. So the Google Maps section is having actually a huge impact on businesses because 60% of the people click on one of the businesses in these Google Maps. So it is very important to rank at the top. And here comes my second tip. To rank at the top, you need citations. And citations is anywhere your business is listed in a directory like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, and things like that. And your business name, address, and phone number needs to be exactly the same as the one that you have in your Google business profile. So just make sure that they are exactly the same, and Google is going to give you points for that. That brings me into the third topic, which is backlinks. And to talk about that, this section here is what we call the organic search. The organic search, to rank at the top of the organic search, you need something that is called backlinks. And backlink is a link in any website that is directing traffic to your website or that it is pointing to your website. And think about it like a popularity contest. The person that has the most likes is the person that wins. In this case, the website that has the most backlinks is the one that is going to rank at the top. But also think about it like influencers. There are influencers that are more powerful than others. So if you have backlinks that are on a relevant website to your niche, then Google is going to give you extra points, or it's going to regard you as an authority, and it's going to give you credits for that. To analyze your website, the back end of your website, we look and we use a tool called Arifs. And in Arifs, we can see that at the moment you have 287 referring domains with 1,600 backlinks. Your competitors have 329 referring domains with a little bit over 1,000 backlinks. And Kitchen Virginians, they have, let me update this, but they have 428 referring domains with a little bit over 5,300 backlinks. So here is my point. Not all backlinks are created equal. You want more and more powerful backlinks. Now let's go back to the organic keywords. This tool is really good because it shows us the keywords, which are the things that people search on a monthly basis. It shows us the search volume, how difficult it is to rank for those keywords, and it shows us the organic traffic for those particular keywords, and it shows us where do you rank in that position in the organic search. So you are ranking first position for carpentry and painting experts, which is really good because those are part of the services that you provide. But if we have a look at your competitors and what they are ranking for, you're going to see that they are ranking at the top for kitchen remodeling Richmond, Virginia, and kitchen remodel Richmond, Virginia, just those 2 keywords. With those 2 keywords, there is a search volume of more than 1,000 searches per month, and they are able to drive almost a little bit over 120 visits to their website just because of those two terms and because they are appearing on the third position. The second in line, so Classic Kitchens of Virginia, they are able to drive close to a little bit over 100 visits to their website, which is organic search, meaning that just because of being at the top and without paying Google Ads, people are visiting their website. And it's important to rank at the top because if you are anywhere on the 10th position or in the second page of Google search, it means that people are not going there because 90% of the people stay on the first page of Google search. So with that, and if you actually like what you saw in this video, please let me know and we can arrange a more in-depth consultation, a one-on-one consultation. My details are at the bottom of the email. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I would really appreciate if you can give me some feedback. Thank you. Bye-bye.